You might be pretty surprised about Rumble.com. This might be your first time coming across the website, but let me surprise you by saying that the website has grown to be the world's most popular video app, receiving more traffic at the moment. Are you aware you can make simple videos like this by going to an easy article, structuring, copying and pasting this content, and dragging and dropping it into this tool to produce a complete video for you such as this, which in turn enables you to create a competent, high-converting videos without displaying your face, without really having to use a camera or microphone. Even if you don't have any experience in how to edit a video, this website does everything for you. I will show you exactly how to maximize ad revenue like this person. He is making $100 with only 9,000 views so far. Step number 1. First and foremost, I advise picking a niche, sticking with it, and concentrating on it. This is important when creating content, since you don't want to develop an audience around a particular niche, because it's challenging to promote, for example, the cooking and food niche, and then go and post a video about home and garden, or software and services the following week. Stick with a specific niche and exercise patience to build a quality audience around it. Therefore, I advise you to visit clickbank.com and clearly understand the niches that you are passionate about or find lucrative, and the type of video that you would like to create. For today's video, let's use my favorite niches: health and fitness, and e-business and e-marketing. For example, in the health niche, let's check one of my favorite products to promote: the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. As you can see, it comes first in the niche of all the list of products on ClickBank. You can promote this product for $29 per sale you generate, and you can see that this product has got high commission. Next, you should move to step 2, which is to discover a free online article or other information about smoothies and weight loss. Step number 2. Now you need to discover a free online article or other information about smoothies and weight loss. So now we will go to Google and look for the finest smoothie recipes for weight loss. Let's take a look at this. For example, you can go to 10 fat-burning smoothies for weight reduction. You may select articles from any of these websites. You can choose 10 different articles relating to the niche you are promoting on Google and compile them together. Then, search invideo.io. Click on Login or Sign Up at the top right of the page to get started. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're in your dashboard, you should be looking for text to video over here. Since we're in the health, fitness, and weight loss niche, it will give you a ton of suggested templates you can look through and select from. Look for any template with anything to do with food, fitness, or anything similar. We can copy the title by pressing Ctrl+C, copy that text, and paste it over here. For instance, we can make the third smoothie, the Appleberry Detox Smoothie. Copy the guide on how to use the products. Copy that text and paste it over here. Once that is done, click Next and the smoothie will be ready in a few seconds. Look at this video editor. It will produce a finished video from the words we just copied and pasted. This is a fantastic web tool for creating TikToks and YouTube videos. You can go and publish straightforward content on every video platform that exists, including YouTube videos. On the following page, you'll see every slide in your video, including, for instance, the header, the ingredients list, and then to numbers 2 and 3, which, as you can see, have transformed this into a visually appealing film that is prepared to be posted on YouTube and the other site we're referring to. Once this is finished, click the download button in the upper right corner of the screen to download the video directly to your computer. However, before we upload this, there are still 2 more things that need to be done. So go ahead and plug our affiliate product into the video that we'll post on the new platform once it's completed. Go ahead and click the plus video icon on the top right of this page after signing up. Then click Upload Video, select Video to upload, and then go ahead and upload the video you just downloaded to capitalize on this platform's enormous opportunity to get tons of views, tons of affiliate commissions, and many other ways to monetize your content. Now we will utilize a tool called VideoMarketingBlaster.com to acquire your video information, description, and tags. This step is optional, and the product is a one-time cost of $27. However, if you don't want to utilize it, you can look for free tags and a description generator on YouTube or Google. The program has a ton of menu options under the headings of keywords and video details, with the latter being the most crucial feature. If you wish, click the keywords link over here and conduct some keyword research, which you can then incorporate into the best video description, title, and tags for your video. For instance, if your video title is Best Smoothie Recipes, click on Research over here. This will reveal the best and most popular keywords that have little to no competition on Google and YouTube, which they advise you use. For instance, we can use this keyword, Best Smoothie Recipes. As we slightly alter the material, please copy this title. Our grammar and spelling may be improved. We can visit rumble.com with this as our title. Copy your full description and then head to rumble.com. Copy all of your tags, post them here on rumble.com, and then paste them here for your tags. Remember that we need to enter our affiliate link. Visiting clickbank.com is necessary. Copy this product's whole title and paste it here as your title. This link over here is your unique link tied to this landing page. Each time someone clicks on this link and purchases this particular 21-day quick weight loss program, their purchase is associated with your affiliate account. As you can see, the full landing page has already been prepared for you. So let's copy our affiliate link and head over to the bit.ly, a website where we can shorten our URL. Paste your URL in this box, choose shorten, and then go. When you return to rumble.com, paste your newly shortened link for your video thumbnail. You can come over to a website called pexels.com. Go ahead and type smoothie into your search engine and press enter to get particular images, such as this one, and click on free download. Visit rumble.com, upload this photo now, or select one of your own. Before moving on to the upload section, you need to accept all the terms and conditions. After choosing the channel you created, go ahead and click it. This section is very crucial. I suggest going with rumble.com only because you only want your video to stay on Rumble, where you will earn money from all of your Rumble views. As a content producer, I've observed that all of these platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, want consistency. You may choose to publish every day or every third day. I need to mention that you need to be consistent on this platform, just like other social websites like YouTube. You can't achieve success with just one video. Go ahead and make many more. Upload your videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other short video sites to increase traffic to your primary channel. We put together this comprehensive social media content automation video tutorial for you. It's completely based on automating all of the social media platforms. I hope this video helped you all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Official Money Pill, so you will never miss any opportunity to make money online with the easy and simple tricks we bring up in our videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.